Gentlemen, welcome back to another live stream. Happy Tuesday. We have a very, very interesting day ahead. We had a lot of overnight news. We had retail sales data coming out this morning. The market is not liking it here so far. So we're currently down about 0.68%, 0.7% this morning so far, down about $3 on the SPY right now. But we do have some tickers that are having a little bit of fun. You got Nvidia up another 1.83%, up $8 in the pre-market here. Nancy's having some fun. AMD down a little bit here. Tessie was trying to come back up here a little bit from these lows this morning. And then there's just a couple of other tickers that I'm just watching for. We'll do a little bit of not like a swing recap, but just things that I'm looking for going into basically this week to see if we can get a little bit of action on some of these stocks that can make some decent moves. But everybody, again, thank you guys for showing up bright and early to the stream today. Make sure that you guys are slapping the shit out of the like button on the way in. Yet again, you guys absolutely crushed it yesterday. I don't know what got into all of you guys yesterday, but we had like 200 something likes on the stream. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Let's do it again today and just keep spreading the positive message that is Trade 1348 in making sure that retail investors actually have a fighting chance in the market. What up, team? I suppose Daily Taylor, dude, you like that one? Bro, that tweet I thought was hilarious. You guys go drop a like on that one. That one was fun. That one was fun. I saw that and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna use this right now. I was like, thanks. Don't forget the like, slackers. Let's do it. Soundhound Groupon Live SoFi look interesting today. We can take a look. Keep those in mind. I have some tickers that I want to go over with you guys. We were talking about this one, FedEx, looking interesting. Still hasn't really done much yet. It's just consolidating up in here at this 13. You did see the volume pick up a little yesterday, so we'll see what happens there if they want to carry this thing up to maybe 270, 271. They do have earnings coming up at the end of September here. So if you, again, if you're looking at this on, I believe the 4 hour is lighted up. Yeah, you are in this light up on the 4 hour, but it is starting to fade down. You are getting golden eye to the downside here. FedEx does have my attention, so we'll see what happens with that one. Then we have Caterpillar over here. Kind of the same deal, just consolidating after earnings. Remember what we talked about with these earnings moves where they pull into these 13s. They consolidate. You get these potential 4 hour lights down, then light right back up, breaking these levels, going for those highs there. This is another one. Caterpillar looks interesting. But we've gone over a lot of this before. Boeing's another one that looks pretty similar. It looks kind of shitty. Then UNH, all the healthcare ones. All these healthcare ones are pretty interesting. UNH has been looking really spicy here, just fucking hugging this 13, looking for that break above this 515.86 here to potentially get a run up to 530. That's kind of what you're looking for there. ABBV is another one in the healthcare space that was looking decent like this, started to run up. It's the same thing that we've been talking a lot about with the swingless guys, that consolidation, the 4 hour lights down, 4 hour light up, breaking the level, entry, and print. Guess data was a nothing burger this morning. Nah, it did send it lower. Let me see. It was more so like China. Let me look. Whoa, Ralph. That's interesting. Fitch analyst warns it might have to downgrade some U.S. banks. That is interesting. Hold on. Let me go through the news feed here because there's some interesting shit. Bond yields are rising, so TLT should be down again. Brazil state-run oil company Petrobras says raises diesel and gasoline prices. Fund managers are least bearish in 18 months. Hold on. There's a Hindenburg report. We can take a look at that. That could be interesting. Yeah, but there was stuff going on overnight. Nvidia, Baird raises price target to 570 from 457. Where was the China stuff? China and Japan. I believe Japan, was it a China rate cut? I think that's what it was. I'm looking for it. Here we go. China had retail sales. I think that's it. No, I think that's it. Okay, we'll see. JPM took a hit and Burry shorting. Wonder if he's no. All right, let's address this Michael Burry bullshit because I think this is a great way to show you guys everything that I've been saying for the longest time. Most people that have followings in this space are fucking dumb, like really dumb. And you guys have to be able to identify that. Guys, Michael Burry does not have $1.6 billion worth of puts because, again, think about it logically. In order to know what his put position, what he paid for it, he would need to report the strike and the expiration date. Do you know what you don't have to report? And they actually tell you not to report short positions, but you don't report the strike and expiration date. And when it says 2 million shares, you can just go and multiply the 2 million shares by the price of the ETF at that time, and you get the two ETFs, and you get the $1.6 billion number. It's called notional value. And I posed this question in a couple of the comments or the captions of the shorts that I was doing about this. If you guys go out and buy $100 worth of SPY puts, you buy one SPY contract, it's $100. Do you have $100 worth of SPY puts, or do you have 44,000 worth of SPY puts? Which is because in each options contract controls 100 shares. Then you multiply by the price, and then that's 45,000. 44,000. Do you have $100 worth of SPY puts, or do you have 45,000? The correct answer, everybody, you have $100 worth of SPY puts. You don't have 45,000. So that's what everybody was running around doing yesterday on Twitter, and I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I'm going to lose my mind. I couldn't believe it. People were just like, they were just doing it for clicks and views. And again, pisses me off because it's just misinformation. I think information is the most powerful thing for you guys, for new people coming into the market. And when I see people just wildly, blatantly just misrepresenting information out there that is so obviously not like what they're saying, it just makes me angry because you're hurting the people that are reading that. Because then they're going to have a false sense of what actually is going on, and then they could easily lose a bunch of money. Like, I don't like that at all. Japan crushing GDP while China starting with deflation issues. Weird world out there. Yeah, it is very interesting. I'd have to take a deeper look into that though, Ralph. AMD, Palantir, SoFi, Neo recovering well Monday. Hopefully it keeps it up after 5 days of red days. Well, I mean, yeah, when the market starts to pull back like that, those names are going to get hit the most. Like the growth and anything growth is going to get hit like that, which is fine. They needed a pullback, especially Palantir. Where's that thing trading in the pre-market right now? 1561, not bad. That's right around where I bought the last block of shares. Cool. Like, I want this thing down here at like 1356. Like, really, that's where I want it. But yeah, I mean, let's see if they can move. SPY starting to come back up. Where's Tessie? Tessie on the 5 minutes looking a little interesting this morning. So keep an eye out for that. I do believe, though, that today we are going to be seeing a little bit of volatility a little bit more volatility at market open just because of, like, look what we did yesterday. Nice rip day, and then boom, dead. This has been the trend recently where you'll make a nice move. Let's throw this on the hourly. You'll make a nice move to the upside. And again, the upside moves, again, lower volume, and then the volume really picks up and they sell it right back off. Same deal. Boom, boom, boom. They're just nailing these moves to the downside. So really, honestly, what I would almost like to see in order to confirm, I mean, it's kind of flattening out in here. This is just the hourly. The daily is going to look icky. Yeah, the daily is just retesting that 13 here. But you do have GoldenEye on the daily here. That is interesting, but you did gap down. So we got to see if that's going to hold. Let's see. Palantir, love bouncing off those even numbers. With the very easy intraday ticker to trade. Yeah, it is. You're going to go SPY March 370. I don't know why you'd do that, but run it, man. Do what you got to do. Do what you got to do. All right, guys, we are 2 likes away from 50. You guys are cruising. Let's see if we can get to 100 in the pre-market. You guys have been ripping it up. And again, are you fucking kidding? Dude, this mouse never stays charged. And again, guys, for those of you guys sitting on the sidelines, we do have this special offer for all of you guys in here. Everybody gets their first month free on trade1348.com. If you want to come and actually educate yourselves in order to actually have success in the market, unlike all these other morons out there that are just leading people to the slaughter. It's free for a month. You take that first month, you go through all the learning curriculum videos, you have a grasp of what we're doing and how to actually succeed in the market, and then you print. So yeah, the QR code's on the screen. The link is on the top of the live chat. There you guys go. But yeah, keep calling out tickers in the pre-market, guys, and when market opens so we can go through a lot of stuff. That was great yesterday. Love that. You guys were calling stuff out more than you guys usually do. Usually you guys are just like, man, I want to see what SCV wants to do. And it's like, no, because I'll just sit here and watch the tickers that I like, which is not like, I'd rather have you guys call some stuff out. We can learn that. I can teach you guys some stuff. But yeah, I get, so we can do a little, it's the notional value again is like you have one option. The notional value is just the dollar amount in which that contract controls. It doesn't mean that you actually have that exposure. Amazon Pharmacy offering $35 insulin. Interesting. You guys forget if Batman is wrong, he still has the movie revenue to live off. I love calling him Batman. Dude, what else are we gonna do? Yeah, so again, hopefully you guys understand that notional value thing as to why that's wrong. I mean, that was a problem when we were looking at 13S back in the day too. I was actually talking to someone the other day, and they actually think that, and this is they had an interesting point here. I don't remember the full point, but Peloton and Amazon. I was like, that's an interesting theory there. Oh, only a paper trade? Oh, yeah. Do whatever you want. Paper trade? Fucking let it fly. Turn on the money printers. Good morning, winning loser. How you doing, buddy? That's some volume stepping up there on the 3-minute on SPY. That's some volume up there, bro. All right, man. Dude, my ice machine is still fucked up. For some reason, like my shower wouldn't put cold water or hot water on this morning. I was just sitting there. I'm like, fucking figure it out, shower. Oh, you guys are ripping the like button. Thank you. I appreciate that. You guys are the best. All right, man. Let's have a good day. Thoughts on SPY after this move down? I mean, if you look at the levels, let me just talk about this really quick. I've been pulling up this hourly chart a decent amount recently, just looking at the levels here, just because the trend is a little cleaner. You can just see it better. You can just kind of see it here. You're just like lower high. Oop, you baited. And then this is the day that we said if we fail above 450.63, we're going to come hunt these lows right here, which is exactly what we did. And it's kind of tightening up a little bit in here. You're not seeing this big swinging range. So you came up to that 1 hour 200. I'm just using these as levels, not entry signals. So again, after yesterday's sell-off in the morning, you failed to make a new low. You didn't make a new high. So you're seeing that consolidation in here, waiting for the next direction. Do I think it's out of the question that we come back up and test 449? No, I don't think that's out of the question. That's a decent move. We can make some money off of that. What you got to be careful of is a slip of these downside levels here in the pre-market, 444.56 and then 444.38. Because if we lose those, we're probably going down to 443.35 and lower than that. That's what I would expect. Auto update? What do you mean auto update? My AC fix? Dude, that was like last summer. Where's Tessie? Is Tessie looking interesting yet? Nah, I mean, it's all right. Down 0.5% in the pre-market. They rallied off the lows. Nvidia looks wild, bro. Nvidia's up like another $9 in the pre-market here. They really flipped this. Like, look at this on the daily, man. Down, 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 down. Blast off, bro. That's an interesting one. Let's see if AMD gets a little juice on that. Because, I mean, again, if we start to see chips going nuts again, I wouldn't hate it. I would not hate it, especially with Nvidia earnings coming up. Wednesday, July 23rd. I think people are going to anticipate that one a lot. I think that one's easily going to be like a buy the rumor or buy the run up, sell the news. Because if you look and see what Nvidia, it's the same thing as Palantir, guys. It's the same thing as Palantir. If you see Nvidia go fucking look from last earnings up to where they are now, I can't even do this. Hold on. I have to go like this from last earnings down here to where they're currently trading, like up in here. That's a 50, almost a 50% move, 48%. Are their numbers going to be good enough to withstand that valuation? I don't think so. So they could easily be in for a Palantir like situation where after their earnings, it just cools off a little bit. Let's thoughts on AMD 4-hour traffic light up? August 23rd Nvidia earnings. That's what I said. That's what I said. AMD 4-hour traffic light up. Aggressive. I think it's pretty aggressive, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. I don't hate it. I mean, I really don't hate it. Oh, did I say July 23rd? Oh, sorry. August 23rd. Sorry. My bad. My bad. It's still early. Bro, it was on the screen. I clicked it. I literally clicked it. I misspoke. I went click Wednesday, 23rd August. Sorry, bro. I said July. So, fucking sue me. All right, team. Woo, we are 19 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. Let's keep it going in the pre-market here, man. We are going to have another amazing day with GoldenEye. Remember, all of you guys that still need to get Masterclass, go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master. The warning shot has been fired. You guys got to be careful. You're going to miss it. You guys might miss it. I said July. Well, it's not July. It's August, okay? Everybody, it's August. My lawyers will be in touch. You know what? Send them. All right. Let's have a good day, huh? What else we got going on Twitter? Anything useful? Not that I see. Not that I see. I don't see much. Wait, hold on. U.S. Treasuries pair declines. 2-year yield falls to. What the fuck is going on? Hold on. Oh. Oh shit. Bond yields just tanked. Where's TLT? TLT should be coming up. Yeah, TLT's moving up here. Wow. TLT 94 in the pre-market here, starting to move back up. All right. This could SPY moving. This could be an interesting day, guys. Still off in the pre-market. Let's see if you want to go up and test that 449. It's so, dude, look at this thing go. Look at her go. Cootie has arrived. GoldenEye for the win. 2% on the port with futures. Get Master, everyone. There you go, man. Yeah, guys. Again, Master is going to take you guys completely to the next level. You guys have seen GoldenEye. We have an amazing one-on-one prepared for you guys tomorrow. That's going to be awesome. We got the Sunday master classes this weekend. We should be back with it. And we're going to go over a lot of GoldenEye stuff with all of you. It is, dude, we are taking you guys to the next level. I'm so excited. Welcome to all the new masterclass members that have been coming in. And shout out to those of you guys who are about to, because guys, it's pretty nuts what we're doing over there. The community gains channel has been nuts recently. Absolutely nuts. I'm so proud of you guys. Cootie's hyped. I love when Cootie gets hyped. Where are these? Caterpillar. Whoa, this thing's knifing. Boeing. Down UNH. Down ABBV. Moving. Okay. We got FedEx over here. Down a little. Okay, let's see. KRE 4-hour. That would actually, if it's regional banks, they would probably dip, wouldn't they? KRE 4-hour, we're late on it. The risk to reward here sucks at the 200. Okay. Let's see how much time we got left. 11 minutes to go until the ding ding. Where's Micron? Micron flipped as well. That's a hard pivot, bro. Same with AMD. Same with Nvidia. SMCI, did that do it too? No, we're lagging here. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Lyft. I've already nailed Lyft for like a bunch of money, but let's see. Lyft. Mine was on the daily. Mine was this on the daily. Boom. You do have GoldenEye here. I don't hate that. Potentially up to that 200. Lyft is up 3 in the pre-market here. Interesting. Whoa. I wouldn't chase that right now, but that's interesting to see that. Yeah, it did spike big in the pre-market here. Let's see. Yeah, and all you new guys filtering into the stream, welcome. It's good to have you guys back. How you guys doing? You guys having fun? You guys ready to make some money? Let's do a roll call. How'd you guys do yesterday in trading with GoldenEye, Masterclass guys? How'd you guys do? Because, dude, I was looking at community gains and I was like, what the fuck? I was like, you guys are demons. Just like demons, bro. Let's see. Ended up with 10% on the port, 9%, 10.3, 8.25. Good shit. GoldenEye's dirty. Yeah, dude, it's fucking ridiculous. 6.7 print. All I got to say. There you go. Wayne, paper trade, follow the rules. I tell you the same thing every day. 1.7% while at work. There you go. Dude, you guys are fucking crazy. It was a great day. 4% on the port on 4 trades. Good work. Wayne, are you going to like listen to like what we have to say? Or are you just going to keep being like, I'm going to do what I want and then not do well? Without GoldenEye, 13%. Jeez, bro. Wayne, you got to hop on another one-on-one. And that's the thing with a lot of you guys. If you guys are struggling, and this is the thing that frustrates me sometimes, we have all the resources there for you guys to have success. We're always available to you. When we offer one-on-ones, take advantage of it. But overall, you guys are fucking killing it, bro. Jeez. Oops. All right, man. Let's have a great day. We got 8 minutes to go until the ding ding. 3 likes away from 100. Jeez, bro. There you go. There you go, team. Don't want you to rip me a new one? Well, that's the point, because then you learn. Because here's the deal. If I have to rip you a new one, you know what you're doing wrong. You already know you're doing something wrong. Don't be scared of the one-on-ones. Everybody leaves in a better spot. Those of you guys that don't want to be ripped a new one are the ones that need it the most. All right. I want to see where this trend is going to set today and then go from there. You know, just see where they want to take things. Where's Tessie? Tessie above 240.25 would get interesting here. You flashed it yesterday once. Can't understand where it's coming from. Exactly. One-on-ones are amazing. Take the opportunity. Yeah, Tor and I had a great one. And again, keep journaling. Keep following your plan that you have listed out for yourself, and you guys are going to be just fine. How much does a one-on-one cost? It's in Masterclass. It's just in Masterclass. We do them in Masterclass. The one-on-one's only for master students? Yes. Yes. The Masterclass, I mean, you guys get a shitload of value in Masterclass. The one-on-ones, GoldenEye, the private streams, everything, man. So, and again, you've got the warning shot. I've warned you yesterday about hopping into Masterclass before it's too late. We're going to have an announcement soon. Be careful. Yes, we do. 100% Dr. Q. All right, guys, let's have a great day, huh? Yeah, make sure that you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram as well. We're going wild with those shorts. Those are fun. Oops. Dude, you guys went nuts on the one yesterday. On the Michael Burry one. All right, what do I want here for open? I kind of want to look at Boeing. Even though it's getting killed here, I want to see what this thing wants to do. Because this is just no volume. Zero volume. Like, that's what a lot of these are doing. Same thing with FedEx, same thing with UNH. A lot of these names, like, if it's not like a big tech growth name, it's not moving a bunch in the pre-market. 5 minutes here, folks. Here we go. Here we go, team. All right, man. Amanda creeping. Let's do it. Let's have a great day. We got 4 minutes. We're going to get the ding ding. We're going to set the trend for the day, rip it up with GoldenEye, get you guys printing, and then we're done. Then it's done. Then we leave. All right, bud. Let's see. Ooh, hello, Spy. All right. What's this? It's too far. All right, guys. Dude, you guys are fucking... You guys might have had 150 likes before open. Jesus. Thank you. Appreciate you guys showing love on the streams. All right. Tassie, how we doing? Chilling at that 5 minute 200. Let's see where this thing wants to go at open. Is the market up or down? Well, currently in the pre-market, it is down. Let's see. You've been playing paper because you're transitioning to homeschooling the kids, can't focus, but want to stay sharp. Had a 27% day yesterday. There you go. Which crypto is good? Whichever one you understand the best. All right, guys. Let's do it, bro. Here we go. CELH coming down finally. Is that Celsius? They had good earnings, I believe. So hold on. Whoa, this thing really fucking ripped. Damn, that would have been a great one. No, I'm not touching that. That's, you just be like gambling it to the downside, trying to top ticket. Let's get Boeing back up here. Cat? No. I have Cat up. CF Limited. I have Cat. I'm looking. Oh, I don't have contracts, but I'm looking at it. This is one of the swings that we were looking at in the pre-market here this morning. I have some price alerts on this, Boeing, FedEx, UNH, and some other ones. But I don't even know if they're gonna I don't even know if we're gonna get there. That's the thing. Like, that's why we don't even have a swing list this week. It's like, well, in last week, the market is not in a place where I'm fully comfortable swinging calls with sides. And remember what we were talking about with the puts? The puts are very dangerous. I'm really only using them as a hedge because we make it like this. So 1 hour here, this is going to cook your put premium. Even though it's trending down, like, this is cooking you. Let's see. The world is slacking. You should have 150K likes already in stream. People just don't know the life-changing tools you have going on. D Young, I fucking appreciate that, bro. Shout out to you, buddy. Let's do it. Am I finally off house arrest? Bro, that's a good joke. I was never on house arrest. The what do you call it? The ankle stuff? From like, what, 2 years ago? That was fun. You guys still ask for ankles. If you guys hit 500 likes on the stream, I'll give you ankles, but I don't know if you're going to be able to do it. Dude, you guys are fucking 20 likes away from 150, and it's not even market open yet. Shout out to you guys. Let's have an amazing day here. GoldenEye, traffic lights. Let's have a great time. Let's do it. You've traded 4 days this month and sitting at over 19% monthly spreadsheet has helped your emotions so incredibly hard to put a red on a calendar day. Fuck yeah, Marky Mark. There we go. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Here we go. Yeah, FedEx pulled back up there for a second. Let's see what we got here. Oh, interesting. Interesting here. Tessie with some movement. Spy with some movement. Nancy coming down a little. AMD coming down a little. Tessie's trying to reach. FedEx, little pop. Where's Cat? Nothing. Where's UNH? UNH, a little movement there. See if it can break this 513.50. No freeloaders here. Hit the like button. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Shout out to you guys. Those of you guys headed to Master, I will see you later. Those of you guys that are still hopping into Master, get it before it's too late, man. I'm telling you, you've been fired the warning shot. All right, let's see what Spy wants to do here. Tessie's trying to creep up there. Tessie with some movement. All right. It's just teetering at this one, the 3-minute 200. Tessie above 240. Cruise into that 240.25. Tessie's really moving here. Nvidia shares up 1.38% after two brokerages raised price target. All right, let's see what we got here. Tessie teetering. AMD losing it a little. Dude. UNH. Let's see what we get here. Where is Boeing? That's another one I'm keeping a lookout for. Boeing down 0.5%, but trying to move back up. On the daily, how's this look? Still holding the 13? Where's the 13? Right around here. Okay, still holding. Spy back up. Yeah, a little choppy. I'm looking at ES on the 1 minute here. It's very choppy at open. Very, very, very choppy at open. So keep calling out tickers, team. Let me know what you guys want to look at. Or I'll just keep circling through some of these tickers that I'm looking at over here. Caterpillar down again. Okay. AMD bounced off that 3-minute 200 there. Tessie teetering at 240. Let's see. Yeah, you're right at the 3-minute 200 on both ES and not on SPY, though. SPY, you're above it. LLY. Okay, we can take a look at that one. Cat selling LLY. Okay. Eli Lilly. Okay, another healthcare name coming up a little bit here. Pretty flat on the day, but another healthcare name that's looking into it. Here comes UNH. Mara. Okay, let's check out Mara. I mean, I haven't done much on Mara recently. Wow, Mara at 1480. Interesting here. Let's see if this is going to get a little consolidation before. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's see what we get on this beast. Nvidia shooting. Yeah, Nvidia with nice candles to the upside. AMD following right along with it after that nice clean bounce at that 5-minute 200 there. Okay, cool. What else? Target. Let's take a look at this. The daily looks terrible. It's coming up on the 5 minute, I believe, though. Yeah, Tiger trying to move back up a little. Holy shit, there's a lot of tickers. All right, guys, we'll get through them. We'll get through all of them. So let's see. Target, you have GoldenEye coming up here. A little bit of aggressive in the pre-market. It's still early. You're in the first 5 minutes. Spy's just chopping around. So you got to see if this thing's going to get legs. Right now, if I were to take this, I'd be using the 48 EMA here as my risk. That's what I would do up to the 200 or this level right here, 129.32, whatever one you like better. That's what I would do. Not taking this trade though. HD is moving. HD, didn't they report not great earnings at some point? What, 2 days ago or yesterday? Oh, they're coming right back up. Interesting. Interesting. Tassie's slipping. You're down 10,000 on AMC, but up 20K on Nvidia. Well, dude, AMC is a piece of garbage. Please, I told you guys. Please, please, please stop getting led to the slaughter. TLT is coming down. Okay, let's take a look at TLT. Yeah, TLT is making its way down here a little bit. Please don't be another stupid day. Yeah, it might be. EV go. How's this look on the daily? No, not for me. FedEx teetering here. Where's UNH? Did it run up in Shark? I think it did. Yeah, it did. Wow, it really ran up in Shark there like $3, dude. Look at that. Facebook melting. Oh my God, you guys are bombarding me with tickers. I kind of like it though. I kind of like it. I haven't seen something really jump out at me yet as to be like, oh yeah, I really like this. Tessie's still trying to hold this 5 minute 200 here. All right. You do have GoldenEye on the 3 minute with Spy right now. It's holding on to this 13. Let's see if it breaks. Neo, you want Neo? All right, we can do Neo. Neo really, really coming down here. You do have these levels at 1194 that I would watch for a potential bounce off of. But looking at this on the 4 hour, it doesn't look great. You've got these levels down in here at 1171, and then the 200 EMA on the 4 hour sitting at 1150. If this thing wants to sell, it could easily get back down there. Spy right back up. Let's see here. I'm interested in these healthcare names, man. They interest me here. They're making a lot of interesting moves. Where's Caterpillar and Boeing? Cat down, Boeing down as well. Nothing crazy there. Okay, let's see if Spy wants to get a little action here. You just kind of rimmed that 13 and moved back up. Tessie still trying to hold this 5 minute 200 here. Ooh, AMD with some action. Nancy's still going. All right. What do we got here? Yeah, nothing looks great right here. Not yet. I mean, you got the SPY teeter and flatline. Microsoft pushing highs. Okay, let's see. Yeah, but you're right at that fucking level, dude. That's the problem. I wouldn't go long here. You got this level right here. You got a lot of levels up in here that this thing could reject off of. Hmm. Palantir moving up a little. Nothing crazy. Tassie losing it here. Tassie slipping. Where's oil? Exxon. Exxon getting blasted here. Interesting, because there seemed to have been some positive oil news. Over the last, what do you call it? Over the last 24 hours. That's interesting. Yeah, this is going to be a patience waiting game. You're seeing it chop a bunch right now. So here it comes slipping down to the 24. There you go a little. Yeah, it's just nothing, man. Nothing yet. It's just cruising. Name of the game is going to be a little patience here. You still have this 24 and 48 here that you got to fight with. Up 5%, respecting levels and scalping. There you go, CF Limited. Fuck yeah, buddy. See, it's just chopping right now. I mean, do we have data at 10? Business inventories, builders confidence, cash carry at 11. Okay. Yeah, you're right on this 1 minute 200 as well. Hmm. Yeah, you got 2 hours left for this 4-hour candle on AMD to close. What does it want to do? You got 120 overhead. Nancy's looking interesting. Huh. Mason, you have not been paying attention to my Twitter, my TikTok, or Instagram. Make sure you go over there and take a look at those videos because I break it down fully. He's not $1.6 billion inputs. He's just not. Make sure you go watch those videos. They're talking about notional value, and you really start to see the intelligence level of people with followings on Twitter that are throwing that information around as if it's fact, leading other people to the slaughter in a way that they should not be. So that pissed me off yesterday when I saw that. It's not your guys' fault. I mean, again, it's just the people with followings out there just pumping bullshit into people's ears. But no, it's the notional value. The question that I posed to everybody is, well, if you bought $100 worth of SPY puts, one contract, $100. Do you have $100 worth of SPY puts, or do you have right now 44,500? That's the question. The notional value is 44,500. The actual value is 100. And they were reporting it as the notional value, and that freaked people out. So is what it is. People are gonna spew nonsense on social media. But you guys are all in the right place, though. You guys all have the right information. Up 3% on the day. There you go. Tessie, big slip. Mainly because of your music. That's good, man. But again, make sure you guys are paying attention, because if you ever have questions about anything, I mean, I'll be able to answer them. There's a lot of bullshit out there. SPY slippage. FedEx still holding on. Let's see what else we got here. Where's AMD? Here's the retest. Yeah, we're losing it here. So remember, when you break this 444.56 here, I mean, you're looking at these lows. Like coming, like this is the low. You're looking at this, and then 443.35. But it did it just bounce hard? No. SPY 5-minute rejection still paying out. Cha-ching. Yeah, right off that 200 EMA, man. Right off that 200 EMA. All right. Let's see what we got. Tessie slipping hard. AMD is trying to hold on a little bit here. Where's Nvidia? And it sharked a little. Where are the other ones that we were just looking for to see if they were going to do anything? Boeing trying to move back up a little bit. Caterpillar, same deal. UNH hanging around 510. What were the other ones? Hold on. What were the other ones that we were looking at, guys? It was Boeing, Caterpillar, UNH, FedEx was one, and I think there was one more. Maybe there wasn't. I could just be brain dead, but I thought there was one more that I was looking for. But all right, guys, you guys are ripping the like button on the way in. I appreciate you. Look at this golden eye move on the 5-minute. There you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Andrew, yes, it does. That's exactly what that means. Mara's losing it. Mara is losing it here. Everything is. Everything's starting to lose a little. I mean, AMD and Nvidia are kind of holding on, but they're not. I mean, not much. Interesting. Interesting. These 200 EMA rejections have been pretty wild recently, especially on SPY. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. AMD coming right back down to that 5-minute 200. Let's see if it bounces from there, if it gets hit. No, I mean, you do have the low at 111. You got set. It's at 111.15. Fuck yeah, Moto. There you go, buddy. I mean, you brought, what was that? One or 3-minute golden eye there? That was insane on AMD. Look, what was the high? 113.18. 3-minute golden eye. Yeah, it might have been. Do I have the right settings here? Nope. That's why. Yeah, the 1-minute golden eye was great on it. Huh. FedEx getting hit. All right, let's see. You going to master? There you go, Moto. Yeah, all of you guys, make sure that you check your emails today, especially if you guys are in one of those master previews that we offer you. We got something special. Up 4% on the port, caught the 1-minute traffic light down, born departure. Good shit, dude. There you guys go, man. That's what it's all about, making you guys money. Let's see. I don't really see much that I like here. Not yet. The 5-minute 200 rejection would have been good, but I wasn't going anywhere near that. Let's see. Cassie fucking right. Literally, everything's just in this downtrend here. I wouldn't even try and catch a reversal yet. Does it help you if I leave your stream on in the background? Yeah, if you mute it. Yeah, just leave it on and mute it. Thank you, Moto. Appreciate that, buddy. All right. Yeah, you do have 1 minute golden eye here, but it is right under this 13 and 200. I typically like to play them on the other sides. So like if this went, so now that this is going golden eye up, if it then golden eyes back down, I wouldn't be opposed. Let's just see what it wants to do. Tesla needs to bounce here or else. Yeah. Because then you're looking at this gap fill again. And if it comes down and breaks that, spaghetti-o. Now, let's see. You do have 1 minute confluence. The 3 minute is probably starting to show. Yeah, the 3 minutes almost ready to golden eye here. 1 or 2 more candles and you should get it. Tessie trying. AMD. No, I want this on the 3 or the 5. Where's the 5? Okay. Yeah, SPY's moving. So here comes the 13. All right, let's see if we get to these levels up here. So this is going to be an interesting candle here because if the sellers step up and go whack, you're going to understand kind of where the tone could be set for the day. If the buyers can buy this back up over the 200 EMA here on the 3 minute, all right, maybe the buyers can have control. But after this sell-off, these candles are going to be very important. FedEx back up. Where's Boeing and Cat? Nope. Cat. HD should be moving this thing. And back down. No, they might have it here. 4% on the day. Thanks, stop loss, confluence, stop loss strategy, or traffic lights, confluence, stop loss strategy. There you go, Pepe. All right, so you do have 3 minute golden eye here on the SPY. The only thing is that the risk is a little much. The 1 minute golden eye entry was pretty good. If you guys were in on that one, you guys can see going back to the SPY here on the 1 minute golden eye entry right here, riding it back up. That's not necessarily what you want to see, rejecting off of this 1 minute 200. Coming back down a little. See, the sellers might have it, man. Let's see. And yeah, guys, remember, everybody gets their first month completely free to trade1348.com. I'll throw that link in the live chat for you guys here. But it is the QR code on the screen with code GAINZ, GAINZ. Make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that before that goes away too. And again, those of you guys that still need to hop into Master, the warning shot has been fired. You don't have very much time left. Here comes the SPY trickling around here. All right, let's see. How's it look on the 3 still? Or the 5? Did the 5 do it yet? No, the 5 did not do it yet. The 3-minute is still in a 3-minute golden eye. May lose it here, though. Yeah, looks like it wants to lose it. Let's see if you can get a bet. No, here it comes. Yeah, this is choppy, man. So we have data coming out in 4 minutes. Be aware of that. Can I quickly describe what GoldenEye is? GoldenEye is, I think I should call it the top and bottom tick indicator. Top tick, bottom tick, top tick, bottom tick. Like, it's just so dirty, dude. Look at this. On the 5-minute yesterday, top tick, bottom tick, top tick, bottom tick, top tick, bottom tick. Like, it's just disgusting. All the masterclass. Look at this. Bottom tick, top tick, 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 bottom tick. Like, dude, it's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous what GoldenEye is doing for everybody. The gains channel in the community has been absolutely fucking insane. It's just it's probably the best tool that we have brought out to everybody. It is nasty. And then those of you guys in the live chat right now, let the people know what you guys have thought of GoldenEye so far, because it is my favorite thing. It's disgusting. You guys have seen me do it, like the 180% SPXs, the 300% SPXs. They're nasty. The risk to reward with GoldenEye is amazing. Most definitely the best tool. It's crazy. It is, Cootie. It is nasty. All right, let's see here. Hey, you're losing it here for a second, but who knows? Let's say. HD bouncing. Is that pushing cat up? A little bit. Boeing. Nothing. FedEx doing nothing. Where's UNH? Doing basically the same thing it did yesterday at around that 411 and then 413. No, Michael, no. I believe you asked that yesterday. Let's see. Let's see. You waiting for data to come out before you make any trades? Nice. Let's see. All right, let's see. Didn't remember getting an answer. Yeah, it was. Yeah, no, it doesn't have any significance. There's the slippage. Here it comes. Here it comes. See? See what we were saying? Let's see if this holds. So. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Data? I didn't see it yet. Let me see. Business inventory is unchanged. Housing index 50 versus 56 in July. Let's see. Here it comes. Here she goes. Tessie bounce off day low. It did for now, but new report 20 minutes ago, insiders buy and lift. Interesting. UNH still holding here. FedEx still holding with this sell. What about Boeing and Cat after that data? Boeing slipped hard. Cat, nothing. Nothing. Let's see. Yeah, there's like nothing here, dude. It's just little everything's just chopping down. That was a data candle, but you wouldn't want to touch that. Let's see. Yeah, this trend is down. They've set the trend to the downside here, but let's see what it wants to do on this 1 minute. See, you just came up and rejected that 200 and just came right back down. That was what we were talking about on the 3 minute, that those candles were going to be really important to see if they were going to knock this thing back down or let it ride back up. There she goes. Let's see. It's just teetering here. Where's Tessie? Bouncing. AMD moving back up a little. This is interesting on the 5 minute. If you can reclaim this 200 EMA, I mean, Nvidia and AMD had the juice say. Nvidia is still up 1%, but it's sold off a lot. 8.64% on the day by Felicia. Good shit, Pepe. Good work, buddy. Let's see. Yeah, here it comes selling more. If you lose this 444.56, you're looking at these 444. There, here it is. There it is. Instantly you hit it. Instantaneous hit of that level there. So now that we've lost this, let's see if they're going to bounce it Or if we're going to go down and hunt this is exactly what we were saying in the pre-market. If you can't stay above here and you lose that pre-market level, spaghetti-o, 443.35. Watch that now. Yeah, big shark. Tessie shark, everything sharked there. UNH lost it. FedEx holding. That's interesting. Uh-oh. Let's see. You have 443.66 as bounce point. Well, it's 443.35. It's that low. So you got to see if it's going to carry all the way down. But remember, I mean, this is what we were saying. This move up, this was super important. The sellers just took control right here and just killed it. Tesla can't find a friend? No, Tesla's getting hammered. Look at this. Another 1.67% to the red on Tesla. FedEx losing it. UNH holding, dude. That's crazy that these healthcare names are holding up like this. Like, really crazy that they're just holding. Die, SPY. Quick, 26.43%. Thank you, 1348. Good shit, Damien. And again, guys, for all you guys still sitting on the sidelines there, here you go. Here's that first month free link. Use code GAINS and you guys are good to go. There we go. Yeah, I had some SPX puts for like 40% there. That was good. Let's just ditch those. That was smooth. Nice and smooth. We do have Kashkari speaking at 11 as well. Let's see. Yeah, AMD's got a little bit left here for potentially a golden eye, but who knows if it's going to do it. The, what do you call it? The 4 hour just completely lost everything. Let's see. It's tier and where's SPY? Little bounce, but that's guys, don't be blindly buying bounces here. This is a big sell-off right now. We're down almost 1%. Like, this is getting big. Let's see. UNH holding, FedEx slipping there. I'm guessing Caterpillar and Boeing got nailed too. Yep. Oh, what was that? Cat, Boeing. Yeah, guys, this is why we have no swing list. It doesn't make any sense. Like, there's no follow through. Nothing's breaking levels. It's just a patience waiting game until this market decides to like unfuck itself. Ooh, did Tessie catch a bid there? Yeah, a little. Let's see here. Dollar, all the market downside. Dixie below 103. Dude, I know. 24% on the port, 1348 for the win. Good shit, David. All right. You got the 3-minute here on it. Oh, you don't even have the 3-minute here on AMD. Let's see. From the SPY rejection at the 200. Dude, David, that's a great trade there, buddy. That is a great trade. Let's see what we got here. See, yeah, SPY's trying across the board here. Let's see. AMD back above 111. Let's see. Made 78% off the 200 rejection. Good shit, dude. Oops, I don't want that. I want this. Let's see. SPY 1 minute fucking around. Here it comes back down. Nothing. Portfolio up 13%. Oh my God, guys. 1348 for the fucking win. Every time. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. You got a SPY puts at the 5 minute 1348 across to the downside, made 75%. Jeez, guys, there you go, bro. There you guys go, man. You guys are fucking killing it as usual. Jeez, man. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys are on fire. Let's see. All right, AMD fighting above this 5 minute 200 here. Or fighting to get above. It's fighting at the 5 minute 200. Up 21.5% on the port for the day. Thank you, SPY Drop. Keep the gains coming, team. There you guys go. Let's see. And here comes Amanda a little. Okay. Len hating the data dropping quick. Well, yeah, if it's a home builder, it's not going to like that. Oh, yeah. FedEx chilling. Where's UNH? Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nvidia moving back up here too. Here comes AMD a little. Back to that 13. You are at a level right here too. Yeah, you flash that level quick. Let's say. Has leaps on Len. Puts as a hedge for a market win-win. That's not a bad way to do it, man. It's like you're acting like an oil company. You're just like, oh, we'll just play the futures market. That's what oil companies do. Let's see. You thought Nvidia would sell off a little today? Why'd you think that? I mean, it did. Intraday or in the what do you call it at market open here after the pop. Let's see. AMD losing it a little here. Caterpillar and Boeing. Nothing. These things just aren't moving. It's gonna be a waiting game for those. Interesting headline in my DM. All right, let me take a look at that. New credit card and auto loan delinquencies have now surpassed pre-COVID levels. Huh. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Let's see. Huh. Let's see what we got here. Man, this 1 minute's not looking too hot. Just keeps rejecting that 13. Automotive dealer market's looking pretty rough right now. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you're seeing it in the credit numbers too across the board. What does this want to do? AMD flashback down below that 200 there. All right, let's see. Nancy coming back down. Yeah, there's not much here except for like quick scalps. There was that nice downside move that a lot of you guys slapped, which was great. But other than that, now it's just a waiting game. They're trying to come in here. I mean, you can see it in the volume. They're trying, but they're not doing very well. Like they are not hitting this thing very well. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Auto dealers market is precursor for the housing market. Typically, credit tightening faster. Your mortgage rate's above 7.5. I thought I saw them above like 8, dude. I thought I saw them above like 8, which was pretty nuts. Little SPY pop there, but it's not above these highs yet. Let's see. Here we go. A little. Cool. 15% on the port today. There you go. Google shows above 8% for some buyers. 7.58% is the typical mortgage rate. Oh, okay. That's what it was then. Yeah, I just saw like part of it. Or that number, whatever it was. UNH, nothing. Boeing, nothing. FedEx, what do we got? Not really much. AMD's trying here, though. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, right back down. Couldn't carry through. Let's see if it gets a bid here. AMD trying to get above that 5-minute 200. Tessie? Not bad there. Not bad there. Guys, there's really just like look at what the market's doing. It's literally doing kind of what it did like over the last few days here, where it'll bait up and go bit like and just start fucking around. So it's a quick scalp kind of day. And the swings don't make much sense either because nothing's setting up. Boeing, Cap, all those looked good. What did they do today? Nothing. What did they do yesterday? Nothing. They're just not following through. Consolidation. Yeah, it is consolidating at the lows, but again, same deal as what happened up here. The buyers tried to take over. The sellers said, nope, fuck you. AMD, big shark. Let's see. Let's see. SPY moving down. Here it goes again. They might go for these lows. They might try to go for like these. Where is it? This one. 443.35. That might be the level that we're looking for. Good thing you took your profit. You don't want to wait for consolidation. True, man. True. Just burning premium over there. Yeah, you tapped the low. AMD getting clobbered now. Let's see. Let's see if they're going to push it right through. See, it's the same thing as what happened up there. Remember, guys, you want to play along with the trend. If the trend is down, these moves up are not going to be as strong. 443.66. Where do you have that from? I don't understand why you're looking at that. I don't really see that anywhere. It's like here, but this is not a level really from anywhere. UNH holding, FedEx kind of holding here. I mean, those still look all right, even with this market selling. Like they're just still holding. Let's see. Nvidia is the only green you see. It's probably barely green though. Nvidia is about to go red. If it breaks these lows, they're going dead red. Dead into the red. Bounce. Yeah, I don't trust these moves up very much, especially when this trend is down. So if you get GoldenEye up on the 1 minute, I would personally be looking for GoldenEye down because you'd have to clear all of this, even to get a little move to the 200 there. So the moves up right now, not really for me. I think you'd have a better chance. Again, especially if you've already hit this move, there's not much else you need to do today. There really isn't. Walmart's holding too? Interesting, because the Walmart was looking interesting for a while. But did it knife? Yeah, you kind of just moved into that 13. You've got GoldenEye down on the daily. It's coming back. They're trying to come back. Both large and small accounts up over 120% in the last month. Trade 1348 for the win. Fuck yeah, Wreck-It Ralph. There you go, man. That's what we want to see. Congratulations, guys. You guys have been crushing it. Again, for everybody that still needs to get their first month completely free, use code GAMES. Fucking 600 coming back in here. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Natural gas futures are down 5%. You think the SPY will bounce? Okay. Well, then put your money where your mouth is. Like that, like if you think that, go for it. I'm not here to tell you anything different. Is it the smartest thing to do to try to catch the bounce back up counter trend? No. Like if you play the reversal, you got to be very patient for it. Because what have you shown so far? Tried to reverse dead. Tried to reverse dead. You got to be careful with it. Now you're coming up to that 1 minute 13, but who knows what's about to happen next? They could do the same thing and bring it down to that 443.30 something level that we were talking about. Let's see. Let's see what happens if it can get to the 24, let's see what happens there. Man, dude, it's just flickering. It is just, and nope. See? If they can buy it, cool. But I mean, on the 1 minute, it's not looking too hot. The 3 minute might be getting ready to go. Nah. We'll see what it wants to do here. Because you do have this 1 minute or this 3 minute 13 that you could come back up and test before some more lows. Let's see. Yeah, right down there. See, be careful playing counter trend, guys. It's not. That's not what you want to do. You got to play along with the trend. See, it tried. Boom. Right back down. Be careful. Tessie new low. Oh, that's rough. Tessie new low. That's rough. Let's see. You guys don't cover AMC anymore? Fuck no. After Ape, bro? I told you it was dead at Ape, that it fell 70%. Everybody was sending me death threats. Fuck AMC. They've completely fucked that whole thing up. Don't get led to the slaughter by morons, dude. Seriously. When Ape came out, that was it. And we said that the day it came out, bro. Over a year later, man. Come on now with that nonsense. Let's see. Corn falls to the lowest since January 4th, 2021 on improving crop conditions. Okay, cool. Here comes that level. There's 443.50. Again, right down here. 443.35. Let's see. Teach you futures? I can do that. Cootie, you're in masterclass, aren't you? There's a whole video breaking down exactly everything you need to know, the basics of futures. Let's say that's a lot of volume coming in. And the buyers are trying to hold it off there, but they do not have this today. They just don't. UNH still holding. Where's FedEx? Nothing. It all out. Yeah, man. I mean, it's there. Look for go into the master level updates. It's from a while ago, but search for like futures and it's there. Walking away with your gains. Have a great day, everyone. Hard sessions. You too, buddy. You too, dude. All right, what do we got? AMD at the lows. UNH trying. I mean, it did break this 413 or I can't even talk. 513.50. But it got sharked right at open. So see where this thing wants to go throughout the rest of the day. If the market turns around, which it could, but this is big selling pressure, dude. Big selling pressure. Tesla daily. Let's see. It just looks terrible. I mean, you're coming. Are you broken this? Did you break yesterday's lows yet on Tessie? 233.75. Really close. Really close on that. 27.68% on the day. Thank you, STV, for teaching how to trade and not follow trade. Fuck yeah, David. There you go, bro. That's what it's all about, man. Again, those of you guys that still need to hop into Master and get your first month for free, I don't know what you're doing sitting on the sidelines at this point. I kind of feel bad for all of you guys that are still like, I'm going to listen to these people on Twitter that think Michael Burry is $1.6 billion worth of puts. Oh, okay. Have fun with that. But yeah, if you guys want to come to the best place to come and learn actually how to trade, there you go. As Gabe said, you have a spread eagle in 4K soon. Soon, man. Soon. We still gotta set up all the size. Still boxes everywhere. He just hasn't been able to come up yet. We gotta set that up soon. Let's see. Oh, is it gonna do it? Are they gonna do it? They're trying. They're trying. No, they bought that up. Spy is dead. Spy is dead. Let's see. S&P 500 touches lowest intraday since July 11th, down 1%. It tapped it. There's one. It was down a little over one on that wick down. So then broke trend. It's going to take a lot for this thing to break the trend, guys. Like, you see every single little move up just gets hammered. You got to be careful. Like, unless you're going to quick scalp it for like 5-10% quick, I would not go crazy with it. Yeah, the 1 minute is just noise. Noise. Straight down today. Nancy could get interesting here on the 3 minute, but I would like it above this 48. AMD not looking great. Tessie just got slaughtered. Into the Lou chat? What do you mean Lou? Let's see. What do you mean the Lou chat? That sounds terrible. If Gabe does an interview with Lou versus Wall Street, it would be hilarious. Dude, if I listen to Lou versus Wall Street talk for a 1 minute, I lose brain cells. So, was the data even that bad? The data this morning, no. The overnight data, the foreign data was not great for everything. It had to do with like GDP numbers and rate cut, rate. Like, there was all sorts of craziness going on in the foreign markets that had us sold off. But remember, look at this on the hourly. We've seen this so many times recently. Look, it tries to break levels and it just gets slaughtered. Like, look here, boom, tries to come up, slaughtered, boom, slaughtered, boom, slaughtered. Like, it's just trending down. It is tightening up a little bit, but if you break this low of 443.35, this thing's probably going to end up going to see 440. Now you're getting a little movement here on the 3 minute. But again, these aren't really the candles you would want to buy because these could instantly just go boop right down. You need that shift of trend. You haven't been able to get over the 13 after the start of the downtrend. The 24 is right there. The 48's there. Again, this is going to be a little bit of a waiting game. You could scalp it, but again, you got to be careful. You're not going to hit those big trades doing this. And if you do, you timed it perfectly. You're still making lower lows, lower highs. Like, that's how the trend is setting up here. Let's see. Hopefully Kashkari says some special words to the market to reverse course. He's probably not going to. I mean, he's probably going to be pretty neutral. That's what I would expect from him. Pretty neutral talk. Let's see here. 85. Why 85? That's not, hold on. That's not a level, dude. That's not a shift of trend. The trend is lower low, lower high, lower low, currently lower high. So you have to actually break that trend. But all right, guys, it is 10:40 in the morning. I have a boatload of stuff I got to do today. I got to make more videos for you guys. We got a lot of stuff that we got to do. So we are going to be wrapping it up here for this morning. But again, for all of you guys that are sitting on the sidelines, you guys have the best opportunity in front of you that you'll probably ever see in the market with this free month to trade1348.com. Make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that. Those of you guys that are still looking to get masterclass, I warned you yesterday. There's something coming. Be careful. Don't miss it. So again, if you want to hop into master at the price that it is, at the time that it is, the time frame, go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master, or reach out to Diana in Market Talk. But team, that's going to be it for here. Peace.